Quick and easy Italian sausage and peppers is a must-make recipe. Using one sheet pan makes cleanup a breeze. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we are making sheet pan Italian sausage and peppers. It's full of protein and colorful veggies. We love serving this with rice, cauliflower rice, spaghetti squash, or gluten-free pasta. Start by prepping the sheet pan. You'll need a large sheet pan to easily hold all those sausage and veggies. Line it with foil or use a silpat mat, then set aside. If you haven't already, slice 1 medium yellow onion, 2 red peppers, and 2 green peppers into long strips. We have a great video showing you how to easily cut bell peppers like a pro. Next, slice about 12 ounces of pre-cooked sausage into rounds. You can use more sausage if you're serving more than 4 people, want more protein, or want leftovers. We like to use Adele or Alfresco Italian sausage. Once those are cut, place the sausage and peppers in the prepared sheet pan and spread it out into an even layer. In a small bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Spoon that over the sausage and peppers and use a spatula to mix it well and coat everything until it's combined. Spread it out again and do your best to not overlap a ton of the veggies. Place the sheet pan in the oven and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes, stirring halfway through. The peppers and onions should be soft and tender, and the sausage should be warmed and slightly golden brown. Serve this with rice, cauliflower rice, or pasta. You could also fill hoagie buns and broil them with cheese on top. This makes a great meal prep recipe and is super simple for weekdays. We love a good sheet pan meal because the cleanup is always easy and they're always healthy too. If that sounds right up your alley, hit subscribe, then check out these 3 healthy sheet pan meals.